what's going on? I am here to do I'm here to do another video on a MCM item that I found off of Poshmark. This particular item is something that I had been looking for, but the cover is like really hard to come by. And so one day I was just on Poshmark, just browsing around, and I found it, and y'all, I had to go ahead and jump on it and get it. So let me show you guys what I got. So here it is. This is the box that it came in, and it has the little Poshmark tape and stuff on there. I've bought several things from Poshmark, and I've never seen it with the Poshmark tape. But I think it's because this item was authenticated or whatever, so it came because the label said something about Poshmark facility or whatever. So anyway, this is how it came. And then here it is. And there's the Poshmark tissue paper, and then it says Posh Authenticate. So here's the thing. They let me know that they authenticated my MCM bag. So there's that. And then here is my bag. So let me show you guys what I got. Yeah, I was so excited when I saw this. So here it is. Y'all, this is the MCM Liz Reversible Tote in the color Phantom Gray. Y'all, when I saw that this young gentleman had put this on Poshmark for sale, I was like, I got to get this. Y'all, brand new, still has the tag on it. It also came with the pouch, which I've seen this bag for sale, but it never has the pouch with it or whatever. So when I saw that it included the pouch, I was like, I need that. So and then it was, you know, brand new or whatever. But yeah, I am so excited. This is my last MCM piece as far as bag wise that I'm gonna get or whatever, because this is the item that I like really had been wanting or whatever, but never could find it. Like I said, I've seen the bag for sale, but it was just the bag and not the pouch. And then I saw the complete set on Fashion File, but by the time I got on there to get it, y'all, it sold real fast. And this one right here, when I saw it on there, it had only been posted for like, I think it said like 13 hours. So I was like, woo, let me hurry up and get it. So anyway, the guy was asking $500 or whatever. It had free shipping, free authentication, and then I had like $10 off for referring my daughter to Poshmark. So I got $10 off, and then she got $10 off of her first purchase or whatever. So I got $10 off, but he offered $500 for the set, which I thought was an amazing deal, because like I said, still brand new, still has the tag and everything on it. So let me just do a quick show of the bag. So here it is. Like I said, this is the color Phantom Gray, and then here's the side and the back. It's just like all the other Liz Reversible Totes. It's just that this one right here, I just never ever really see it for sale. So there is that. And then a lot of, like I said, I've seen this bag, just the bag for sale. They was on like $500 and $600 just for the bag, and it's not even including the pouch. So I'm just like, why would I pay that much just for the bag and you're not including the pouch? Because some people sell the pouch for like $300. So anyway, I think I got an amazing deal. So here is the pouch. And it still has the MCM paper. You probably can't see it, but it says MCM on there. And then here's the authenticity card in there. So there's the big old cute little pouch. Y'all, just so excited to get this. Woo! I've been looking for this. I'm telling you, when I tell y'all I've been on the hunt for this color for like a long time or whatever. I have really been looking for this. So this is my final MCM bag purchase as of now, because I have purchased quite a few MCM pieces this year alone. So I just wanted to show this to you guys, because I finally got my bag that I've been looking for. And I've seen this bag on YouTube maybe a couple of times. This one young lady did a what's in my bag and she had it, and then what is her name, I think her channel called So You Changed Your Hair Again or something like that. I might be saying it wrong, but it's something like that. She has this bag and she did a video on it or whatever, so I was like, oop, I got to have that. So yeah, y'all, just want to show this to you guys. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Bye.